Hey, what's going on, Elite Owners? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on multicolor in the 2020 A-Class. First, you're going to hit your home button. Once you hit the home button, it's going to bring you out to the home screen. Once out here, we're going to be swiping right on our thumb touch. We're looking for comfort. Once you see comfort, you're going to be using your thumb touch to push the button in. Once inside comfort, you'll see color and brightness, but we want to go on to color. Once inside color, we're going to check the box for multicolor. Once you turn on multicolor, the right side should change to show you the multicolor choices. We're going to swipe to the right, and you pick your favorite color. I chose Red Moon. And that's how you set multicolor in a 2020 A-Class.